Have you ever wondered why we teach our kids about looking after the body, but we don't really teach them how to look after the mind? Teaching them about meditation at an early age would set them up for life. But we all know that sitting quietly isn't that easy. It's not easy for us as grown-ups, so think how hard it is for kids. They'd much rather be out and about, having fun, getting dirty, than sitting still with their eyes closed for 10 minutes. So here at Headspace, we've created some activities and meditations, especially for them, with themes like calm, kindness, and even bedtime. We've created these sessions for children and parents to enjoy together. Each activity is different depending on how old your child is. There are exercises designed for toddlers, preteens, and every age in between. This really is the best of both worlds. Quality time with your child while teaching them a valuable skill for life. And hey, who knows? Maybe you'll even get a little extra headspace for yourself.